So you are an investor as well, and you've largely invested in real estate. Why do you think real estate stands out as a solid form of investment in comparison to other forms of investment?
You know, like if you look and if you Google now the top billionaires of the world, you will see that 88% has done their money through real estate, and the remaining 12% is between IT and different industry. Real estate is an asset that it will never dies. People are Population is growing, people need places to live in, you know what I mean? So real estate is somewhere where you put your money, you generate an income, and you get capital gains where you can flip this property later on and make more money. So it's what we call the financial freedom. So the more you invest now, you're rewarding your future person. So if you invest by 20, by 40, you're set, and it's never too late. But it's always yesterday is better than tomorrow. If I invested yesterday, it's better than tomorrow. I'm sure you have you know tons of people who will tell you, oh, I wish I invested 10 years back where the prices were different. I would have made half a million, million, 2 million, whatever it is.
But they were told back then that real estate is bad investment.
Yeah, it's bad. I'll tell you how it's bad investment. So that's the mentality where let's go back when I told you about Lebanon, and lots of countries are also doing the same mistake where they will tell you, okay, when you say you have a decent job, go buy a house and take a mortgage for 30 years, let's say 25 years to 30 years, and you will be living all of your life to pay off the mortgage. And by the time you're 60, 65, you finished your mortgage. And what did you do with this money? Nothing. You just put it in the house that you have to stay in the house. If you want to flip it, you have nowhere to stay unless if you want to downgrade. So this is not smart, but what's smart by you putting your eggs everywhere, like by buying multiple smaller units, generating income from it, and from that income you can get yourself the primary house that you want to live in it. So you need assets to be paying off. And if you read the book of what's it called, like the Rich Dad Poor Dad, and he will show you like the difference between the assets and the liability. And this is also what happens in our generation, where once someone has, let's say, $100,000, he will go buy a Range or any kind of cars, which it will be depreciating and eventually you lost all of the money. While when you invest this money and you're having your income coming monthly, from this income, you can spend it. Why? Because you know next month's money is coming and after it. So building assets is super important in our life.
Make your money work for you.
Exactly.
Why do you think Dubai is a good place to invest in real estate?
Dubai offers lots of stuff. First of all, as I told you, the income that you will get from renting your property is extremely high comparing to the major cities of the world. In Dubai, also, we don't have VAT on properties. You don't have tax. So the money that you're putting is net to yourself. And it's very easy to enter the market. You can enter the market as low as $60,000. You don't see this in major cities in the world. So also like Dubai, as I told you, it offers you the safety. The weather is beautiful all year long. The location of UAE and the world map is amazing because no matter where you are, it's a hub, yeah, and it's a business hub. So I can say Dubai is a safe haven for everyone to invest, and to start building the portfolio.